Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. Once again, I am your honorary ma'am, and today I am here with your grammar topic, transformation of sentences part 2. In this, we are going to learn some rules how to change your simple sentences into complex one. It will really help you to change your sentences. I hope it will help you to change uh, your sentence, your textbook sentences into a complex one. It will help you to, so you have to just remember this rules, and you will easily convert your sentence, your simple sentence, into complex one. Okay, transformation of sentences part 2. So in our first part we have discussed our basic concepts regarding transformation of sentences, like uh, adjective clause or relative clause, adverb or adverbial clause, noun clause. Okay, then what is the simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentences, how you have to change it without changing their meaning, what is dependent clause, what is independent clause, how they work in a particular sentences. So these basic ideas we have gone through in your very first part, and in this second part I am dealing with the topic that there are certain rules to change your simple sentence into complex one, and vice versa, while you are changing your complex into simple one. Now transforming simple sentence into complex sentence. So converting simple sentence into complex sentence can be done easily if you are using this kind of rules, and this can be done by simple expanding a word or a phrase into a clause. So what you have to do, you have to expanding your word or a phrase into a clause. Moreover, we can do the same thing when we want to change the complex sentence into simple sentence. Whenever you are changing your complex sentence into simple one, you have to eliminating a clause into a word or a phrase. Okay, if we want to change it into complex, we are expanding. Okay, we are expanding our word or phrase into a clause, and whenever you want to change your complex sentence into simple sentence, again you have to eliminating your clause into word or a phrase. Okay, I hope you get the idea. Okay, rules of transformation of simple into complex sentences. So rule number 1, present participle in a simple sentence to convert into complex sentence by adding since, as, when at the first half of the sentence. Okay, whenever you find this, your simple sentence start with the present participle, means verb plus ing. So at that time, if you want to convert your complex and your sentence into complex sentence, you have to add since, as, or when at the first half of the sentence. Look at the example. Closing the door, I went back to school. So here you can use like closing the door. Present participle is there. Closing. Close plus ing. It's closing. It is a present participle. So whenever you want to convert this simple sentence into complex one, you can use since, as, and when. So you can say that when I closed the door, I went back to school. Or as I closed the door, I went back to school. Okay, since I closed the door, I went back to school. So you can use since, as, when at the very first half of the sentence. So when I closed the door, comma, it's the first half of the sentence. What is the second half? I went back to school. So that is the second half of the sentence. Closing the door is the first half. Okay, So you can practice this kind of sentences by your own with the help of your reference book, in which you will find this kind of examples related to your this text base. Okay, your lessons sentences you have to change, so it will help you into. Rule number 2, being or verb plus ing in a simple sentences to convert into complex sentence by adding as, when and since at the first half of the sentence. Okay, so if you find being, or rather you find verb plus ing in a simple sentence and you want to convert it into complex sentence, as that time also you use as, when and since at the first half of the sentence. You have to add it to first half of the sentence, not in the second half. After winning a beauty contest, she cried. So here, after verb plus ing is there, winning, win, win plus ning, winning. So after winning a beauty contest, she cried. So he says that as she won the beauty contest, she cried. You have to put as, okay, at the first half of the sentence, and then verb, subject, and then verb. As she won the beauty contest, she cried. Okay, so after winning a beauty contest, she cried. Similarly, in a complex sentence, we can use as, when, or since. As she won the beauty contest, she cried. Or when she, or since she won the beauty contest, she cried. But as is appropriate in this. Now rule number 2, TOO and 2. So 2. Okay, 2 and 2 in a simple sentence to convert into a complex sentence by adding so that. TOO and 2, you have to remove this 2, you need to adding so that, and yes, make sure that you have to make your sentence negative. Okay, so this is the example. He is too weak to carry the box. So TOO, weak to carry. Okay, so he is too weak to carry the box. Now he is, so that you have to use, he is so weak that he cannot carry the box, because we have to make it negative. So he cannot carry the box. So to remove a replace with the so that and make your sentence negative. He is too weak to carry the box. He is so weak that he cannot carry the box. She is too slow to learn the maths. So she is so slow that she cannot learn the maths. He is too lazy to do the work. He is so lazy that he cannot do the work. Okay, so this is how you can change your sentences while you are using this to in a simple sentence, so that you have to, whenever you are converting this kind of sentences into complex one, you have to adding so that and put your sentence or make your sentence negative. Rule number 4, 2. In the simple sentence, to convert into a complex sentence by adding so that in the sentence, like we eat to live. Now if you want to convert it into complex sentence, we eat so that we can live. So here the only two, if simple sentence using TO2, only two. If you want to convert it into complex sentence, then you have also add so that in the sentence. We eat to live. we eat so that we can live. Generally you have to put can to make in this complex sentence why you are using this two and only two. Okay. We job to earn. We job so that we can earn. Then another one is we earn to survive. We earn so that we can survive. Okay, so this is how you can use this if you are using if you are using to in the simple sentence. Then if you want to convert it into complex sentence, you have to add this so that. Okay. Rule number 5. In the simple sentence, in spite of, despite, to convert into the complex sentence by adding though, although. Okay. So if in the simple sentence this in spite of and despite use, so if you want to convert the sentence into complex sentence, then you have to add though and although. In spite of, despite, in simple sentence, convert it into complex sentence, you need to add though and although. Like example, in spite of being rich, she is hard working. Though she is rich, she is hard working. Okay. In spite of being poor, he is honest. Though he is poor, he is honest. Okay. In spite of being sick, she is going to office. Though she is sick, she is going to office. Okay, so this is how you have to use in spite, you have to use though, although instead of in spite of and despite. Rule number 6. Because of. Because of in the simple sentence, to convert it to the complex sentence by adding since at the beginning of the sentence. So now what you have to do, rule number 6 suggests that whenever you find because of in the simple sentence, and if you want to convert your sentence into complex one, you have to just add since at the beginning of the sentence. Because of his illness, he could not join the meeting. Since he was ill, he could not join the meeting. So he could not join the meeting should be same, but you have to use since place of because of his illness, you have to use since he was ill. Okay, you have to put this verb according to the tense of your sentence. Like could not, it suggests the past tense. So because of illness he could not join the meeting. Since he was ill, he could not join the meeting. Now come to the another. Okay, let's come to the another example. For example, because of her stubbornness, she could not get the success. So since she was stubborn, she could not get the success. So I hope you will get the idea. Rule number 7. Now you have to remember this pattern. Subject, verb, object plus present participle. This type of simple sentence to convert into the complex sentence by subject, verb, object plus relative pronoun of the object, relative pronoun of the object plus be verb, to be verb according to relative pronoun as well as tense plus rest of the sentence. I saw a bird flying. I saw a bird which. Now which is a relative pronoun. Okay, according to the object, because bird is there, so which. So I saw a bird which was, because I saw, SAW, so it suggests the past tense. I saw a bird which was flying. Okay, so I saw a bird flying. I saw a bird which was flying. I saw a man fighting. So I saw a man who was fighting, because here we are talking about a man. So the relative pronoun is according to the object. Okay, so here he is for the man. I saw a place beautiful. I saw a place yes. I saw a place carving. I saw a place which was carving, the art of carving, which is done on a particular place. Rule number 8. In a simple sentence starts with without. By adding if or in case is converted into the complex sentences. Okay, if you find that your simple sentence starts with without, then you have to add if or rather in case, and you can convert your sentence into complex sentences. For example, without adding the sugar, the dish will taste bad. So if you do not add sugar, the dish will taste bad. Or in case you don't add sugar, the dish will taste bad. Okay, the dish. So without adding the sugar, the dish will taste bad. Similarly, if you do not add sugar, the dish will taste bad. Without stopping them, the situation will disturb, or the situation will without stopping them, the situation will disturb. So if you do not stop them, the situation will disturb. Sometimes we need to stop the person to handle the situation. Okay, or to not disturb the situation. Without losing the weight, she will look ugly. So if she does not lose the weight, she look she will look ugly. Okay. Now rule number 9. In the simple sentence, at the time will be converted into when in the complex sentence. When in simple sentence they are using at the time, so you have to convert at the time into when and make your sentence complex. For example, she woke up at the time of load shedding. Load shedding. So complex. She woke up when it was load shedding. Okay, she woke up at the time of load shedding. So she woke up when it was load shedding. Or rather, you can yes, you can rather you can say that at the time and when both are suggest the particular time of doing the act. Another example, she leave the office at the time of sunset. So she leave the office it was when it was when when the time of sunset. Okay, she leave the office at the time of sunset, so she leave the office at sunset. Okay, so you have to at the time you have to remove and you have to put when. Rule number 10. In the simple sentences, adjective will be converted into that or which in the complex sentence. Whenever adjective is used in a simple sentence, you have to put that or which instead of adjective and convert your sentence into complex sentence. For example, it was a blue shirt. So blue is a adjective. Complex sentence, it was a shirt which was blue. So you have to put that or which instead of that adjective. It was a blue shirt, it was a shirt which was blue. It is a dark night, so it is a night that is dark or which is dark. She had a navy blue dress. She had a dress which had which was which she had a navy blue dress. She had a dress which was or which had a blue or a navy blue.